Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have share my Marc Jacobs collection. Yeah, I wanted to share with you all what I have so far. So with that being said, if you want to see my collection, you need to click on this pink subscribe button, because y'all, it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, I'm going to jump straight into this hair collection, and after share my collection, I'm going to share my really quick horror story Marc Jacobs items. So make sure you stay into the end of this video so y'all so you know what I'm talking about. I was saying I'm gonna just grab what I have here. Love the whole Marc Jacobs tote collection. Purchased my first tote. I fell in love, and my first tote was the small, but I'm not gonna go in that particular order. I'm gonna just show you what I have so far. This here is the mini tote. I didn't think I needed the mini tote, but y'all, let me just say, once I ordered this mini tote, brought it home and started playing with it, putting my stuff in it, carrying it in different ways, I fell in love with this bag. The thing with this here mini tote, it don't have a inside zipper pocket. Said I'm so used to having zipper pockets, but with this here mini tote, I'm fine with that, because instead of me placing stuff in that zipper pocket that I'm so used to, I just carry around like a little cosmetic, like one of my old Ipsy cosmetic pouches, and whatever I would put in my zipper pocket, I would place in one of those little small Ipsy pouches. I love this here mini tote. Like, I cannot wait. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that Marc Jacobs comes out with with more fun colors. As of now, they only have 3. No, they have 4. They have the leopard, they have this black, the blue, and the slate green. The reason why I didn't get the slate green in the mini, because as y'all know, I have it in small, so I didn't want to buy the same colors. Like, I have purchased the same tote, but I purchased it in different colors. This come out in fun colors. Not that I know if they coming out with it, but I'm just saying, if they do come out with fun colors with this hair mini tote, I will be repurchasing some more mini totes, because this here is just a really good everyday throw and go size of a bag. Like, I love this hair size of a tote. It's just perfect, you all. If you're a strap that comes with it that's adjustable, that you can make it short, long, you can wear a crossbody, you can wear it over the shoulder, you can wear it in the crook of your arm. Like, y'all, love the size of this here tote. Now, the only thing that I do notice with this here particular black tote is that the fact that it attach a lot of length. You can see now, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it has a lot of lint on here. So what I do now is I just use my lint brush. Like I said, I purchased a lint brush for under $5 at Ikea's. I have to go to Ikea's to get a lint brush, but that's where I ended up picking up mine. Like, they sell them everywhere. So with this here particular bag, you may want to have a lint brush on hand, so when you come home at the end of the day, you can just take your little lint brush and just wipe it down, and then the next day have a fresh looking bag. Because once I took my lint brush and wiped it down, everything came off. So I'm fine with this hair black collecting lint, because again, at the end of the day, I'll just take my lint brush and wipe it down. But of course, with this hair black, I'm sure y'all already know that this hair black is going to attach lint. Wish it didn't, but it do. Besides that, I love this here mini tote. And if I didn't mention, it do have a zipper on the top, so you don't have to worry about your stuff being exposed. I normally keep my bags unzippered, but to each his own. But if you do feel like you need to zipper your bag, you do have a zipper. It do have a zipper. To show y'all this really quick, I got this from Ikea's, and this is where I usually keep my AirPods. I have them in here now, but yeah, and then it has like a little key hook where you can attach your keys. But yeah, love her. So this is one of my bags that's in my collection. So yeah, this here is the mini tote. Now moving on to the bag that started the whole collection is this here small tote. I forgot how I discovered this here Marc Jacob Tote, the Tote collection. I forgot, you all, but oh my goodness, best investment and purchase ever. The reason I started loving the Tote collection, like I said, this here is the small. It's a lot bigger than the mini, as you can see. Still like a everyday type of bag for me, but just in case you don't need something like this size, I would recommend this size. Like say if I was going to the zoo, or I don't know, shopping, I probably would carry this one before I would carry this bag. It's a big difference in size, because again, this here is the mini, and this here mini is getting lit from this here sweater, you all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down. But yeah, this here, like I said, the bag that started it all, wearing this bag. But once I got the mini, I started wearing the mini, and I put this one up. But here is what I have in here. Like I said, the difference with the small, you have your inside zipper pocket, and it also has patch pockets here. It's a total of 2. What I was saying was the difference with the mini. But like I said, I'm used to it now. Like I carry the mini, I just, like I said, make sure I have my little pouches. As of now, I don't even have anything in this here zipper pocket. But this is the stuff that I was carrying at first when I was carrying this here small tote. You do have your zipper on the top, and it do come with your black strap that is adjustable. And they both, if I didn't mention, they both have the silver hardware. There you all, this here is the bag that started the whole obsession of this here Marc Jacobs tote size, which is the small. Comes in a lot of fun colors, like a lot of cute fun summer colors. You all, this here is another bag that's a part of my collection. Since I was loving the whole Marc Jacobs collection, like I said, this here is the first time I ever purchased any bags from the Marc Jacobs collection. So once I purchased those totes, I was, you know, again on YouTube, and I came across this here bag. So I came across this here snapshot bag. This here is not the soft. They have 2 versions of this bag. They have this here, and then they have the snapshot and then a soft snapshot. It's not the soft, as you can see, is structured. It's a structured bag. The soft one is a little bigger. You can carry more. And I'm looking to purchase a soft snapshot just so I can see if that's something that I will, you know, love to have in my collection. I did catch one on sale at Bloomingdale's for, I think it was like $2.10, but of course I let it sit there too long and it's gone now because it was like a blush pink color, and I wanted to order and get it here in my house and do a review just so I can show y'all the difference and things like that, because like I said, the soft snapshot crossbody holds a lot more. But y'all, when I tell you I love this hair bag, now I will say this bag do not hold a lot. Like when I tell you I have been struggling with trying to fit stuff in here, this bag do not hold a lot. We'll do a review on this hair bag, on how it looks on my body and what can fit in this bag. Now once the videos that I did watch, I did notice that within time this hair leather will stretch a little, not stretch to the point where the bag will look like, you know, is worn down, but it would just stretch a little more. So that's why I'm gonna keep stuffing it just so I can stretch it a little bit. Y'all, I love this bag. And then I also love the fun straps on this hair bag. When I tell you, this bag comes in so many beautiful colors, like, oh my goodness, like I'm already looking to purchase another one, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, this is a bad thing. This Marc Jacobs addiction is really bad, you all. Like, I done purchased 4 bags total. It's real. Like, I done purchased 5 bags total. Like, yes, 5 Marc Jacob bags total, because right here I have a total of 4 bags. I have one more to show you. At the detailing on this hair bag, this hair bag is so gorgeous. The hardware on this bag reminds you of like a Louis Vuitton pull tab. Like, that's how luxe this hair gold hardware is. Like, it's not cheap at all. Like, it's not flimsy or anything. Like, it's the business. Like, it's a good quality it's good quality hardware, and pay half of the price. Like this bag on Louis Vuitton probably would have been over $2,000. And y'all know this bag, I think depending on where you get it from, you can get it between $200 and $300. Maybe a little more depending on what style of a bag you will get. Didn't mention you do have a back pocket here, but you can't put really nothing in here other than like your ID. I could probably place my key card in here, so when I go to, you know, come in and out of my community, I can just have my key card here and don't have to worry about digging in my bag. So this is a good place I could carry it when I do carry this here bag. You have the Marc Jacobs logo here, and like I said, I've been stuffing this bag, well, trying to stuff this bag so it can kind of like loosen up, and whatever you put in here, it pushes to the front, so you really don't have room in this side pocket to put hardly anything. Like the only thing that I would probably put in here besides my face mask is my iPhone. Like this is all I have in here. I don't have my Gucci card case because I did send it to I did take it to the Gucci store to see if they can try to clean it or repair it, because it did end up showing wear like really fast. So yeah, you all, this here is another I love purchase. I'm telling you, I do have a video on this hair bag, so make sure you check it out. I will probably try and leave it up in the cards, but if not, I'll try and leave it down below. Last but not least, this here is a bag that I have filmed this bag, but I haven't uploaded it as of yet. I told y'all how I'm in love. I purchased the small tote in the color yellow, and if y'all have been following me for a few videos, y'all would have known that this is one of the bags that I was requesting to get, because like I said, with the money that I got for Christmas, I purchased that mini and this here yellow tote, because this here is the yellow tote that I wanted for the summertime. That's why it's still in its original packaging, because I plan to wear this again when it's a little warmer outside, because that slate green, I'm sure you can wear it all year round, but I just wanted something with a pop of color for the summertime. It comes in mini. In these pretty colors, I would prefer to get the mini in the fun colors, but like I said, as of now, the small and the large are the only two bags that come in the fun colors. Didn't even put nothing in here, because as you can see, you have your original packaging. I'm trying to keep it away from my face so I won't hit it with my foundation. So I will update you all with this here particular bag, far as what fits in here and how it looks on my body. So as of now, it's going to stay in this original packaging because it's not time to wear it yet. My Marc Jacobs collection, I'm sure it's going to get bigger. As of now, I have a total of 4 bags. I did have 5. If y'all saw that video, I uploaded a video on the Marc Jacobs teddy tote. I will try and leave that up top for you all as well. When I tell you that bag, at first when I opened it, it was like I liked it, but I had to like play with it off camera. And when I tell you I fell in love with that teddy tote, like I fell in love with that teddy tote, because that bag was totally different. Like it was nothing that I ever had in my collection. I think the day I went to purchase that Fenty foundation, we were at Lenox Mall. Wore it that whole day. When I tell you, I got so many compliments on that bag. Like this one girl came up to me and was like, oh my gosh. And I'm looking like, and she was like, where did you get your bag? And I was like, and I told her, I think I got it from, I ordered it off of the Marc Jacobs website. She was like, oh my gosh, I've been trying to purchase this bag and it's sold out everywhere. That's the case, because at the time when I purchased that bag, a few days of me wearing the bag, y'all, I noticed color transfer. I will insert some pictures up here because I don't have the bag to show you, but I will, like I said, insert a few pictures as I'm talking so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Y'all, when I tell you I was heartbroken because that bag was $250. I didn't get it on sale, and I just felt like for that price, I didn't want to keep a bag that looks like that. So I called customer service. I said, hey, I'm having an issue with color transfer. I explained to her my situation. We'll send the bag back. So I wanted to reorder the bag because I liked the bag, but she was like, we can't do that. You have to send it back. We have to credit your account. and then you can repurchase the bag. Well, of course, by the time you did all that, the bag was sold out. That being said, you all, I didn't reorder the bag because at this point I just feel like between the tan and that, I think it's like a pinkish color, I'm kind of scared at this point, because I think the only color I can order in the Teddy Tote and don't have to worry about anything is the black Teddy Tote, and I didn't really want that in black. I ended up returning the bag. I wasn't able to get a replacement because that's not how they work or whatever. Like I said, I'm not familiar with the whole Marc Jacobs return policy. So sometimes when I order from places, like if I return something, they will, you know, send you out a new item within, you know, once they receive the item, they'll go and issue you a new item. But with Marc Jacobs, they don't do that, or whatever she said. So I was like, okay, fine, refund me my money. So instead I ended up purchasing this here particular tote, and then I think I ended up getting the mini tote. So they do have the whole Teddy Tote collection available on the Marc Jacobs website, because they have that in a few colors. Like they have it in the blue, pink, black, that tan color that I had. I'm not sure what other colors, but now of course it's available on Bloomingdale's, about Nordstrom's, but now it's available on those other websites. If I do decide to purchase another Teddy Tote, I will this time wait patiently for that bag to go on sale. And then another thing with that bag, will want to wear that in the winter time, so I'm not in a rush to reorder that bag. But I will say I love that bag a whole lot. Like, it was so soft, it was cute, but I did not like the color transfer. It's the issue I have with my Gucci because of that Kate Spade wallet. So I did take my Gucci in. They are able to replace the inside lining of the Gucci, but they weren't able to you know, fix the card case. I'm like, okay, fine, whatever. Like, I would have known about the whole color transfer with the light leather, I wouldn't have purchased that yellow. I didn't know. And it's not the end of the world, because there's more things going on in this world. But I just wanted to share my really quick story, just in case you all are looking to purchase that particular bag after watching my video. Just be aware that if you do wear dark clothes like myself, which is, you know, I wear a lot of tights and workout pants and sweatpants and things, so be aware that you may experience color transfer. Now, I don't know how to prevent it. Did experience that particular problem? Let me know down below. You know, what did you do? Were you able to clean it and catch the bag at a good sale? I may look to purchase it again, but I will not purchase it for a price only for that reason. Purchase it on sale and it do show a little wear, I'm fine. But, you know, paying full price and it's looking like that in less than 2 weeks, it was a no-go for me. I done rambled enough. So with that being said, you all, please give this video a big thumbs up, because you know it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and it will be a next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.